Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Very good morning, and today's class is about Hatha Yoga back pain series. So what happens in lower back pain? You have this body, and in this body, this is the central area, and central area is a back where you feel the pain. So the upper part of the body and the lower part of the body has to be separately worked, not towards the lower back pain. So it should be upward, and the downward energy movement we have to learn. So starting now, class number 1 for back pain series, class number 1. Closing your eyes and start with Om chant, breathing in. Two more rounds, breathe in. The last one, breathe in. Slowly rub your palms. Palms on your eyes. Look to your palms. Namaste. So what all props we need? We need 2 bricks and 2 belts, 2 cotton mats, 2 bolster and 2 chairs. So first of all, we'll take the belt, yoga belt. The senior citizens who are not able to sit down on the floor or having knee pain, kindly sit on the chair. Sit tall, sit in front of the chair, at the edge of the chair. Take the yoga belt, spread it Y shape, and stretch your hands above the head. Breathing in, the stomach out. Breathe out, the stomach in. 5 inhale, 5 exhale, 4 inhale, 4 exhale, 3 inhale, 3 exhale, 2 inhale, 2 exhale, 1 inhale, 1 exhale. From here, opening your hands at cactus, shifting the hands at cactus. I'm showing you from the sideways, and if you're feeling discomfort to start in sitting position, you can also stand and then do it holding here. 1. This will help you to open the chest, and also the shoulder blades will open. The pressure at the lower back will reduce when you open the chest. And then from here, rounding the spine. So when you're rounding the spine, your hands are moving forward. Inhaling, opening the chest, cactus hand. This is a basic foundation to get the spinal cord flexible, exhaling, rounding the spine. Chin to chest, hands extends forward, the belt remains straight. 3 inhale, opening the chest, cactus hand. 3 exhale, round. Throat breathing. 4 inhale, extending the hands up. No cactus hand, extend the hand up. 4 exhale, round the spine. The last one, 5 inhale, up. The chest is opening. And 5 exhale, rounding the spine. The common mistake is the head is not going down. So the head is slightly up, and focus at your belt. Spine is rounding, the spine is not straight. Inhale and come back. Relax the hand down. Now from here, roll the shoulders. Shoulders moving backward as you inhale, release down. We'll do it for 5. 2 inhale, 2 exhale, 3 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 4 exhale, 5 inhale, 5 exhale. Change the rotation. 1 inhale, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 2 exhale, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Relaxed. So we have finished with the chest and back of the chest. Now moving to the lateral stretch. Your left hand is on your left thigh and raise the right hand up. Raise the right hand up. If you are holding a chair, that will be a better impact. Suppose if you are flexible, then place your left elbow down on the seat of the chair and then raise the right hand up. Holding here. For 5, spread the fingers wider apart. 1, 2, 3. Create a fist. Take your thumb inside and close the 4 fingers and start wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Changing the rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Center, breathe in. Fold forward, breathe out. The knees are wide. The chest is moving forward, chin is up. Shifting forward, no rounding of the spine. No rounding of the spine. So we are not rounding the spine, we are shifting the trunk forward. Tall spine. Inhale, coming back to the center. Exhale, relaxed. From here, the right elbow on your right thigh or on the seat of the chair. Press your right elbow to raise your left hand up. The lateral stretch. 1, spread the fingers wider. 2 and 3. Start making fist and rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Changing the rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, forward fold. Again, roll the shoulders. The shoulder blades are together. Exhale and come forward. The spine is not rounding. I am repeating again. The spine is not rounding. The spine is extending forward. The chin is up. Breathe in and breathe out. Every breath you can go deep into the position. Your hands can extend forward. Breathe in and breathe out. The last one, 3 inhale and 3 exhale. You can also have the brick. Suppose you are not able to do it with your fingers or your hands, then use the bricks and stay tall. 1, 2. So you are working on the upper part of the body to release the tension at the center part of the body. Lower back pain is at your center of the body. We want to reduce the strain and stress there, so we are taking the energy upward. That's why we are not dropping the chin down. Extend the chin. From here you have a twist. The left hand remains there, the left elbow will sink down to open the right side of the body. So take your right palm on the right knee and start opening the chest. The right chest is opening. You are twisting and releasing the tension or any kind of stiffness at your back by pressing the right knee. How is the breath? While moving into the position, it is exhalation. While holding the position, a normal breath. Press the right knee. The key is press the right knee. Inhaling, coming back to the center. Stay there for another 2 breaths. Exhale. Press the root of the palm. Chin is up. 1 more round of breath. Breathe in and breathe out. From here we will take the shift. The right palm on the brick, the left palm on the left knee, finding the twist by pressing the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, take the brick and from here place it back of the head. Open the thoracic chest. What I mean thoracic chest is above your lower back is a middle back, and the middle back is also thoracic back. From the middle back there is a upper chest, back of the upper chest, that is the upper spine. That's called thoracic spine. So open that by placing your brick back of the head and just open the chest, the diaphragm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling, rounding the spine again, folding forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more round. Inhale, open the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and round the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back, exhale and release.